3 reasons why I do not suggest that you invest in Bitcoin. Number 1, it's slow. The Bitcoin network can only handle 7 to 10 transactions per second, whereas compared to Visa, handles 1,700 to a claimed 24,000 per second. Number 2, it's expensive. When you go out and you use your credit or debit card, you are not charged a direct transaction fee. It's paid on the back end by the merchant provider. If we remove that provider, transaction fees have to be next to 0 for it to be a competitive coin. Bitcoin and other coins like it have expensive mining, transaction, and verification fees. And lastly, it's obsolete technology. Do you know anybody that's still using an iPhone 1? No, it's outdated and obsolete. Proof of work technology, which is the technology that Bitcoin runs on, is already outdated and obsolete. Proof of stake and other technologies have already rendered it obsolete. But the number 1 reason why I do not suggest investing in Bitcoin is